Welcome to Bag-a-Vie store, where we specialize in enhancing your handbag care experience with our premium inserts and bag organizers. Every handbag enthusiast knows the importance of maintaining the shape and beauty of their favorite accessories. Our products are proudly made in the United States and designed to fit a wide range of bags, from luxury designer bags to everyday totes. We understand the passion that comes with love and care for your bags. That is why our products are essential for organizing your handbags. By using our cushion formers, you help prevent unsightly creases and cracks, giving your designer pieces the love they deserve even when not in use. Additionally, our European leather care products enrich and protect your bags, ensuring they remain supple and new for many years. In addition to our exceptional products, we also value our customers. By joining our rewards program, you can earn points with every purchase, starting with a welcome bonus. As you accumulate points, you will unlock discounts and savings that will make your shopping experience even more rewarding. Imagine getting $10 off for every 1,000 points you earn. It's our way of thanking you for choosing Bag-a-Vie.